Hi guys, it's a Raise here from DS All-in-One Solution. So this is a we installed for the 12 solar panels, 2 inverters, 2 batteries. So job is completed. You can see how it did work. And it's a dynes battery, the luxpower inverter, and for the JA, the solar panels for 10 watt. So it's working 100%. You can see it's give the power to the solar, charging the battery, and ESCOM also is there. And this one communication cable, and it's charging. And we did all the earthing, this is very important. This is all earthing we have done properly, and linked to the inverter, the surge protector. That is a solar combiner. This is the db in and out. This is the changeover. It's a battery disconnector, and the both side is the same thing. So alhamdulillah, everything is working perfect.